Hello. If we have two data sets, we have already learned how to use Excel to find a scatter plot and a best fit line for the data. However, we can do it by hand if we have the mean of the two data sets, the standard deviations of the two data sets, and the correlation coefficient. To do this, we use these equations. Ultimately, we want an equation that looks like this: y equals b1x plus b0. b1 is the ratio of the standard deviations times the correlation coefficient, and b sub 0 is the mean of y minus b sub 1 times the mean of x. If we're trying to find this by hand, we start by finding b sub 1. In this case, b sub 1 is r, which is 0.95, times s sub y, the standard deviation for y, divided by s sub x, the standard deviation for x. When we plug this in, we get b sub 1 is equal to 0.19. In our equation, we've now found one of the coefficients that we need. We can now find the other coefficient, b sub 0, by plugging in the mean of y, which is 40, minus b sub 1, which is 0.19, times the mean of x, which is 85. If we do this calculation, we get 23.85. That's the other variable in our equation. Putting these together, we find our equation is y equals b sub 1, 0.19, times x, plus b sub 0, 23.85. Remember, for doing this, the x is what goes on the horizontal axis, and the y is what goes on the vertical axis. That's finding the best fit line by hand.